Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you DIY Cat Eye Polygel. First I'm going to be showing you what I'm using, and here I am remembering to put cuticle oil on because my nails are crusty and gross and I don't think people want to look at them. So a round of applause for Angie, and remember to use cuticle oil. Now that I'm all hydrated, I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Star Cat Eye Gel Polish in Cosmos, and it's a beautiful blue and gold cat eye gel polish. I'm obsessing with the sparkles in this and just wanting to show you how sparkly and beautiful it is. Blue and gold are one of the best color combos. This is just a beautiful gel polish in general. I'm also going to be using Gershion's Clear Polygel. And to mix it, I'm going to be using this weird palette thing I had laying around and an extra spatula that I got in a polygel kit. So with that, let's get into it. So I don't show you how I mix my, the mixture. You kind of want to do a little bit of equal parts gel polish and polygel, more polygel than gel polish because it's going to get liquidy. My first batch was too runny and really hard to work with, so I used less gel polish and I was able to come up with this nice kind of soft polygel mixture, and it was a little sticky but kind of easy to work with. I'm using regular polygel brush instead of normal alcohol slip solution. I'm using base coat to push it around, which it works pretty well, but I think you'd want to use base coat more for a stiffer polygel rather than a stickier, runnier textured polygel than this one, because it was working fine, but it was still kind of difficult to work with. I'm kind of messily just trying to apply it around because I mostly just want to show you the cool effect that even with inside polygel, cat eye will still, and a strong magnet, cat eye will still work. And here you can see that beautiful gold strip cat eye right in the middle of that. And I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds to make sure that it gets penetrated and cures all the way through, because you do not want any uncured product on your nail. And just look at that beautiful shine, that sparkles. I'm obsessed with it. It's just so pretty, so beautiful. So this is a way, Model Ones has been the first people to do cat eye polygel. Now you can make your own, customize it whatever colors that you like, not restricted to having to wait weeks for shipping. And yeah, if you really want to see an in-depth tutorial, just let me know and I'll be happy to do it. But other than that, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.